Okay, hi. We are doing some off-roading in the 2025 Ford Explorer, and I am in the ST line. There are 4 trim levels to choose from. They made it easy this year. You have Active, which is your entry-level trim level, ST line, ST, and then Platinum. And I am excited to go down this 2-track. So here we go. We are in off-road drive mode, and I'm gonna go a little slower than I probably would if I owned this car. 1, because I've never been down this road, and 2, I really don't want to have to buy this today. Although this is Vapor Blue, and it is one of my all-time favorite colors. And whoa, this is some thick mud. Okay, we got this. So they put a walkie-talkie in here just in case I get into trouble. Then I radio somebody. But this is a tight, holy freak. This is tight and fun, actually. This is so fun, but oh my God. I did this in a different car like a month ago, and I was like devastated because I came out of this and I was like, oh my God, it looks like there's scratches, but it wasn't, it was mud. And I was in a full-blown panic because I said I would have heard if I scratched it. You know, whenever you don't own something, I want to take the utmost care with something that's not mine. Okay, so it's really pretty back in here. This is fun. I had no trouble getting in and out of this. This is, hopefully you can see it on the video, but this is deep mud, wet grass. I did go in some loose gravel earlier, some thicker sand. And now I'm back on that wet grass, which you probably haven't had much occasion to drive on wet grass. Let me tell you, if you've ever gone through Soccer Saturday, trying to park on the soccer field after rain. Okay, here's the truck. Where am I going? Like this way? Thank you. That was so fun. I kind of want to do that again. I wonder if they'll let me do that again. Just a blast off the bridge. I like this. All right, we're gonna give it a little more gas. I'm gonna be a little more aggressive this time in this thick mud. How fast am I going? Okay, faster. I'm going 15. I like it. I'm somewhere in Ann Arbor, Michigan for this drive, and it's really beautiful. It's so hot in North Carolina this week. It's 115 with the heat index. And here the high today was 80, and it was pouring rain this morning when I woke up. So I brought a hat and a raincoat and all those things thinking that I would need it. But we've had really good weather for the Explorer drive. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna post all this together or if I'll do driving impressions separately, but I am gonna show you all the trim levels that I can get my hands on, the 4 trim levels that I told you about. I'm also gonna do some autocross, and I'm gonna assume it's gonna be the ST and the version that would be a police interceptor that's got the 3.3 liter EcoBoost twin turbo, makes up to 400 horsepower. I think it's 418 torque. So you have 2 engine selections in the new Explorer. There's the 2.3, it's a 4-cylinder. I believe it's a turbocharged 4-cylinder. And I'll just clarify that at the bottom. And then the 3.3 liter EcoBoost twin turbo V6. But all trim levels standard are going to tow up to 5,000 pounds. So they all have to, even that 4-cylinder has to be capable of towing a 5,000 pound trailer, boat, or whatever, 4-wheeler, jet ski. You get the point. But I like this. I'm going to show you, I don't know if you can see, tip you down. Hopefully you can see this. You have drive modes. So we have normal, eco, sport, towing and hauling, slippery, which I used earlier on wet gravel, and off-road. So I'm going to go normal because I feel like I'm almost back at Revel Run, which is where we are doing this drive today. And I'm gonna show you the rest of the inside and outside and try to piece this baby together so that it makes sense. Godspeed. I kind of enjoyed the fact that we came back on a dirt road.
I could do without the dirt road.
I'm going back to slippery. This is not slippery.
What mode? Slippery?
We have so many drive modes. I'm doing slippery. What do you think?
Okay.
I was torn
Wet,
between
icy,
that and
snowy
off-road,
road.
but I'm on a wet gravel road. So truly, you can go off-road. I'm not really sure what's happening on this road.
Woo! That is uneven. Oh, and a big puddle. Yikes!
Puddle. Oh, I did it. We're gonna have to put it in the. It's a good thing I've got the off-road on. We're gonna need to send this one through detail before we film it.
Yeah, hopefully it's not that bad. Oh, here we go, big bump. Woo!
It's pretty through here. I'm on the side of the road in Hell, Michigan. I'm in hell. Look, and here's all my explorers. We're all in hell. So I had to stop and get a picture.